Welcome to the Liquid Nomad. I'm Del. Today, we're making a fun and easy twist on a Cadillac Margarita using simple ingredients and, of course, Grand Marnier. This is Prince's Cadillac. Here we are at One-Eyed Mike's, the #1 seller of Grand Marnier, not only here in Baltimore, Maryland, the United States, and believe it or not, the world. It's a cozy, candlelit spot on Bond Street in Fells Point, serving great food and drinks, boasting a Grand Marnier bottle club of over 3,500 members. That said, let's make Prince's Cadillac. We're gonna start by grabbing our serving glass. I'm using a 5-ounce coupe because I'm serving mine up, but feel free to serve yours in the rocks. So we're gonna grab a lime, cut this in half, and we're going to use that as an adhesive for our tagine rim. Tagine is a chili lime salt that goes great on margaritas. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly suggest. So what we're going to do, we're going to put lime juice on half of our rim, and we're going to pat it into our tagine and do half a rim. That way, it gives the guests the option. And for now, we'll set that glass aside, come back to it later. To start building our drink, we're gonna grab our small tin and some agave. And since we'll be adding sweetness that'll balance out later, we're only gonna do 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mil. Then back to the lime we use as an adhesive. This is gonna be 1 ounce, 30 mil. Right into our tin. Then for our base, I'm using a Blanco Tequila, and feel free to use any one you like. I like Espolòn as my workhorse, but at the same time, use whatever you like, even a Añejo or a Reposado Tequila for those nice barrel-aged notes. We're going with 1.5 ounces, 45 mil. Fill our shaker tin with ice. Seal. And we're gonna shake this for 8 to 10 seconds. Break the seal. Bringing our cup back, we're gonna double strain this. And the purpose of this, for this specific drink, we wanna keep out those little bits of pulp, as well as the ice chips that are really small from shaking. Just a cleaner presentation. A little love tap, that last juice out. At this point, we've used no orange liqueur, so we're unbalanced in favor of lime. Enter Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is a nice, sweet, and smooth blend of cognac and orange liqueur that I would more closely relate to a dry curacao in style and taste than a triple sec. So what I'm using is a butterfly pea flower infused Grand Marnier Mezcal blend. To make this, I simply added 2 parts Grand Marnier and 1 part Vida Mezcal. I then took those and infused them for 3 hours with this butterfly pea flowers. They add a light floral taste as well as a dark purple color. Using our bar spoon, we're gonna float 1 ounce of our butter smoke GM on the back by pouring slowly. Then we're gonna grab a lime and our channel knife, and we're just gonna pull maybe a 3-inch shoestring peel. Now lime is really good at holding its shape. So what we're gonna do is pull this into a tight coil and just hold it for a few seconds there, and it should hold a nice tight look. We're gonna attach that to the side of our glass with a garnish clip. This is Prince's Cadillac. The simple Grand Marnier and Mezcal blend is essential to the float by cutting down on sugar density, allowing it to float as opposed to sink. Also, it makes us a beautiful and easy twist on the Cadillac Margarita to celebrate the legend himself. Yeah, that's so fun to drink because the sour and sweet are mixing on your palate. I mean, we're sipping through the Grand Marnier and Mezcal, we're getting that lime, a little bit of agave. Also the tagine rim, it's salty, tangy, and adds a little bit of spice, and it goes great on this margarita. Lastly, our garnish is functional. If you're interested in bar gear used, support small businesses and artisans by checking out our handmade product and bar gear affiliates in the description below with attached discount codes. It helps them as a business grow, us as a channel, and you save money. Also, if there's a cocktail you want to see me make or a recipe you love, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.